crested crane with birds, other birds. It is here cleaning itself slowly but sure. Yes. Yeah, always this bird is being clean. Yeah, it's cleaning itself and is having a lot of colors, like our flag is also having a lot of colors. So if you see the Uganda flag, you ask yourself where the white color. The white color is on this bird. On the head you see, and the outside of the wings. So Uganda flag is having the white color. Here close to the eye of this bird, you have the white color, and on the wings also you have the white color. So Uganda flag is not yellow, black, and red only. We have even the white color. Birds are birds. They are all gathering together. No problem. Oh, this is a nyagi. They are dancing, singing it. Yeah? Dancing, singing it. Oh my God. Oh, they are singing. Subscribe and wait more.